wabarakatuh. This is Ijaz and you're watching RR Videos. Today's news headlines are: Bangladesh bulldozers destroyed 3,000 shops of Rohingya refugees in the camp. Prosecution witnesses in Aung San Suu Kyi's corruption case are being examined. Turkish Interior Minister in Cox's Bazar to take news of Rohingyas. Details of the news. The government confirmed on Tuesday that Bangladeshi authorities had bulldozed more than 3,000 shops in the Rohingya refugee camp in Bangladesh. Deputy High Commissioner for Refugees Shamsudduja confirmed to the news correspondents. King Mong, a Rohingya community leader and human rights activist, said the destruction has affected tens of thousands of Rohingya refugees. King Mong also told to news correspondents that food rations were being reduced and that refugees were relying on these shops. In addition, a fire at a hospital treating Cox's Bazar Rohingya patients in Cox's Bazar Rohingya refugee camp in Bangladesh severely damaged parts of the hospital. No one was injured, the United Nations said. The International Organization for Migration (IOM) says it hopes to resume healthcare soon. Amnesty International's Saad Hamadi says that demolition of shops has led to more beheadings and a worsening of the situation for refugees. I urge the authorities to allow them to participate in decision making, including the right to food and shelter, and to protect the human rights and dignity of the Rohingya, he said. Proponents of her case have been working to make the actual transcript of this statement available online. In today's court hearing, Criminal Proceedings Number 3, Naypyidaw Development Committee's Namyo Aung, two prosecution witnesses in case number 4 and 5, and Aung Myo Oo of Naypyidaw Municipal Lead Department have been cross-examined. Details of the investigation are not yet known, as Suu Kyi's lawyers have been barred by the military council from speaking to the media. Criminal case number 3 alleges that the Kinki Foundation took 100 acres of land in Moonlight Forest of Uttara Tiri Township. In the case number 5 alleges that a house was built on the Aung San Suu Kyi's home with a public grant. Owning forest. Case number 4 alleges that 29 acres of land was taken in Pabua Tiri Township, Naypyidaw. Complaints have been filed against Naypyidaw Mayor Dr. Myo Aung and Deputy Mayor Ye Ming Oo. Sources close to the court told the news correspondents that the case has been rescheduled for next Friday, January 14. Aung San Suu Kyi sentenced to life in prison after a military coup under Section 3(1)(c) of the Official Secrets Act. She was arrested and charged in 11 cases, including Section number 55 of the Anti-Corruption Act. On December 6, she was sentenced to 4 years in prison under Section 25 of the Disaster Management Act and Section number 505B of the Penal Code, which was reduced to 2 years. In addition to election fraud, the military council plans to file 2 more complaints about the pursuit of the 2 helicopters. Turkish Interior Minister Suleyman Soylu has arrived in Cox's Bazar. Sulaiman Soylu arrived at Cox's Bazar International Airport directly from Istanbul, Turkey, by a special flight at 8 a.m. on Saturday. State Minister for Disaster Management and Relief welcomed the Turkish Interior Minister at the airport, Muhammad Enamur Rahman, Chattogram Divisional Commissioner Kamrul Hassan, Chattogram Range DIG of the Police Anwar Hussain, Deputy Commissioner of Cox's Bazar Mamunur Rashid, Superintendent of Police Hassanuzzaman. Officials of Turkish Embassy, Bangladesh were present. A 20-member delegation led by the Turkish Interior Minister is scheduled to return to Turkey at night after visiting the Rohingya camp in Dhaka at noon. If you are satisfied by our news channel, it's a humble request to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Like and share our videos. If you have any suggestions, please comment to us. Wassalam.